ale, ale. That's gonna be us. Getting on the flight. Na, 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 na. I'd be hyper as hell.
You are. You open your phone again.
It's been a while since I've been on a Ryanair flight.
Yeah, how long, Rose?
I don't know. I can't remember. Probably years.
You're not missing much.
Say that again.
You're not missing much. Yep.
We're in Malta. There is a wine festival going on right now, right outside our Airbnb. Oh my God, I don't understand this apartment. Do you get it, Dan?
No.
So we're gonna get some food first. Get some Italian food.
Yeah.
We're on the 0th floor, first floor. 0.
Oh.
Not liking this one bit.
Oh, are we just like going through the building?
Apparently.
There's no like door. This can't be safe. Dan, are you excited to be in Malta?
I love it.
Look how cute.
This city is amazing.
Is this the old town?
Yeah. This is like the capital.
So we came from the airport and we took a bus. Well, I can't even talk. Let me talk in my sexy, sick voice. We,
There's a shadow up there.
who's that?
That's weird.
So cute. We're looking for a place to eat. Ooh.
It'll be fine.
All right, we just stumbled upon a little cute restaurant in this little street. Look at my handsome date. And, we're gonna quickly get some food and then head to the wine festival. Cheers, Dan. Cheers. So, yeah, literally we got chips. Are they good? They're literally chips. Bruschetta. Food. At least it's food. How's the food, Dan?
It was okay. At least we ate something.
At least we got fed. Oh, it's hot.
It's very hot.
I don't know if we can make it to the wine fest.
I mean, it's already 12 to 11:30 and it starts at 11. How does that work?
Should we try? Or should we just relax here? Shall we?
Yeah. The restaurant on the right-hand side, Rose, that's where I was going to take you.
Where?
You see, not next to
The Golden Arches? Oh my God, it looks so nice. Can we please go there?
Oh, there's like a parade float or something going on here.
Oh, wow. It's called a truck.
I know.
Want to vlog for me?
You mean,
Dan
whoa,
cam?
whoa. Hang on, I need to get,
It's filming already.
is it? Oh God, I look like a disaster.
You look great.
Rose, you should have told me how terrible I looked.
You look great.
So right now, we are in the city of Valletta and we're walking towards a vegetarian/vegan restaurant for brunch. Unfortunately, Rose is a bit sick, so she doesn't want to talk too much because her throat's sore and she'd be a princess.
You're the worst vlogger ever.
I'm not. I just feel like I'm not putting my best foot forward at the moment.
We're just walking. Bye.
Go down, Rose. You tell me.
We are at Soul Food,
Yeah.
which is in Valletta, and this place is not completely, it's not vegetarian, but lots of vegetarian and vegan options that are all marked.
Clearly marked on the menu, really easy to read. So we got some Buddha bowls coming our way.
Yes, so I got the vegan Buddha bowl.
I got the tofu Buddha bowl.
Yeah.
And then we also got some orange juice
Coffees.
and some well-needed coffee.
Yes.
This is where we are. I mean, the truck's driving away, but you know. And then if you look on this side. Isn't she so beautiful?
So I ordered an iced coffee and I don't really understand this. So I don't think there's milk in it. This is just foam though. How's that soy cappuccino done?
I'm sticking to Americanos.
So yeah, apparently this is just foam. But yeah, I don't really understand. I think it's supposed to be like, I know what they did. I think they try to mix it with ice, just water and coffee, and it just created, yeah, and it's supposed to be like a slush, but there wasn't enough ice, and also you're supposed to add like a milk or a soy milk or something, and because this is just water, it's like, at least it's not milk.
Yeah.
I'm happy. So, it's not really what I envisioned as a Buddha bowl, but hello. We've got some bread. This is a lentil patty and a bunch of veggies, some hummus. It looks good.
It does look really good actually.
It's very healthy, something that we need. And then this is Daniel's. It's just different because look at this tofu.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. Do you want to try it? And I think this is vegan mayo.
Yeah. Do you not get vegan mayo with yours?
No, apparently not. I want to try some of your tofu one.
Shame on you.
All right, Dan, where are we going?
Going this way to the gate of the city where our tour begins.
Okay. Got me a hat.
She got a hat.
I got a hat. We're gonna do a little tour. Look at this, Dan. What a day.
Beautiful as hell.
What a time to be alive.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Rose.
So what do we know about Malta so far, Dan?
Not a lot.
We know that Malta is the 5th most densely populated country in the world.
True.
We also know that it is the 10th smallest
Country, yeah.
country in the world. It is located underneath Italy, right at the tip of the boot, right?
No, further down, a bit further down.
Further down from the tip of the boot. And it was once a British colony. What wasn't a British colony? They speak 2 languages, Maltese
And British.
and English. And they kind of speak English with like a Italian accent.
But they also speak a lot of Italian here, I think, as well.
They do. I think they probably speak Italian. So we know quite a bit already. This is where we came in yesterday in the nighttime. And also there are about 400 and something thousand people living in Malta. See? I know a lot. Damn. No? Do you?
No.
I just wanted to look at it. Oh, is that an old gay couple?
I think so.
They're so cute. It's gonna be you in 40 years.
God, that's when I'll be 70. I probably won't even still be traveling.
You'll be traveling at
No, I
70.
will, yeah.
Shall we start?
Yeah, let's start.
Dan, teach me all about Malta. Pretty sure I know more than you, but...
We do, yeah. When we started, we decided to begin at the city gate.
So this is where we entered yesterday. You know it's a gate because there's a big, beautiful fountain.
Yeah, it's so the city of Valletta has actually been inscribed on the World Heritage List officially in 1980. And that's pretty much all I know at the moment.
I have a great tour guide, guys. I am in good hands. Let's go.
Piano design, Parliament Building, and the Royal Opera House. So that's, I think,
Nice hiccup.
actually, this is a really cool concept.
Did you like my Croatia vlogs, Dan?
I did, yeah. They were wonderful. Mostly because I was in them.
Mostly because I edited them to make you look nice.
Not a hard job.
Okay, Dan. Dan's taking pictures. Look how nice these buildings look, Daniels.
I know, this is the plaza. Then we go down the street.
Here's a map of Valletta.
That's a fucking photo. Look at that bad boy.
I mean, it ain't like mine, but okay.
Even village across the water is beautiful.
Maybe like 1,000 people.
All right, so now we're in this garden thing. Very peaceful. Daniel's just showing me around. It's such a pretty city. I want to take a picture everywhere I go. Hi, birdie. Oh God, you look creepy. Okay.
Look how big that boat is.
It's a pretty big boat, Dan.
Right there.
That's a pretty big boat.
Yeah.
Do you see something weird about the statue, Daniel?
I think you're the first one to point it out, Rose. Your eyes always go for the prize, don't they?
You're so annoying.
I crack myself up, you know?
Daniel's making fun of me. I'm running out of storage.
Did you delete some big videos?
I deleted some old stuff that I already transferred on.
Oh, okay, perfect. Good stuff. God, I look like a mess.
What do you think, Daniel?
It's so
Is
beautiful.
it too hot?
No, it's nice. It's nice.
Right now we're sitting, it's kind of the shade.
Yeah.
Well, I think the sun's kind of hiding.
Behind a cloud or something.
I think I'm high on some drugs right now.
Medication.
Took some meds. I'm literally just living off meds at this point. But this garden's nice.
Beautiful.
And then it's right at the ocean. Oh my God, so nice. I could sit here all day. The breeze is really nice right now. Daniel's just busy texting.
Yeah, I'm messaging my friend.
Who are you messaging, Dan?
My friend Maria.
We decided to cool off with some drinks. I'm having ginger beer, which is non-alcoholic. For once, I'm drinking a non-alcoholic beverage. Daniel's having a nice cold beer. Is it delicious?
It's really nice.
It's a local one that I got you, Dan.
Oh, look, crafted for my pleasure.
This is a local beer, I think. I asked for one, so it should be local. We're just chilling on these steps. So nice. If only we had this back home.
I know.
All right, we're sat inside for lunch because it's too hot outside. Right, Dan? I'm sweating like pig.
I look crazy.
Thank you.
Ooh, thank you. I got another fresh orange juice. Oh, I don't think it's fresh. Dan, you want to eat some bruschetta? Thank you.
Passion Jimmy is called.
Ooh, look. Okay. Thank you. So we got another bruschetta, or bruschetta. Pour it, Dan.
I drilled it over top of both. Do you want some?
What is it? Balsamic? Oh shit. We're having bruschetta with a lot of balsamic, apparently. Ooh, pepper. Me too. Apparently, we're always having bruschetta. Yummy. Ooh. So that's our starter.